Hi, my magical creatures, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is we are going to talk about best guys to date if you're transgender. Before we begin, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to subscribe. It's a free way to help your girl out. So let's get started. All right. Okay, through my trans journey, I definitely want to say these are kind of the top, like, the top guys, the top type of guys to date if you're transgender. This has worked for me. I don't know if like for other girls, but this is what worked for me for these type of guys. And yeah, so definitely if you want a boyfriend, definitely go for these types of guys. So the first guy on the list is bi guys. So I dated this guy. He was so handsome, so tall, so masculine. And we dated, and he knew everything about me. And then he told me, like, yeah, like, I'm fine with it. Like, I don't really care. And I was all like, why? Like, why don't you care? Because I usually have a lot of guys be like, oh my God, like, what the hell? Like, I didn't know you were trans. And he was like, well, I am bi. So, like, I don't really, you know. And I was like, oh my God. I was like I couldn't even tell that he was bi at all. And he did say, like, yeah, like he said one of the guys that I messed with was actually like really feminine, and it didn't even work out. Like, and he even was like, I like women more than I like guys. So it was just kind of like a one thing, you know. But he did say he was bi or whatever. But when I was with him, like, I did not have to worry. I didn't worry about like getting cheated on. Also too, he told me he liked women more than he did with guys. And it was very masculine. Like, there was nothing, like, I couldn't even tell. Like, I didn't even know he was bi. Like, it was just crazy. So definitely, I feel like if you're trans, definitely try to date like a bi guy, because definitely they're very like open to it. Like, they got the best of both worlds. You're a woman, and depending if you're pre-op or post-op, yeah. So definitely, bi guys is definitely one type of guy that would be definitely open to dating you as a trans woman, being open to you too. The next on the list is bodybuilders. Okay, so this is kind of like hit or miss, but like I've I've had a lot of guys hit me up that are very muscular. They hit the gym, like bodybuilder type guys. I don't know what it is, but a lot of those guys are very open to trans women. I don't know if it's because they like to work on their body, working on their physique, So like if a woman like wants to change, a male transitioning to a woman, it's like changing their body too. So it's kind of like something in common. But I've noticed a lot of bodybuilders are definitely open to trans women. I've had a lot of bodybuilders try to mess with me and stuff back in the day. But you need to be careful too, because some of the guys too in there are very like high off testosterone. So there are a good lot of guys that are bodybuilders that will definitely be down for you, but there are also too some guys at the gym too that you kind of want to watch out for, and they're kind of just like disrespectful and rude, and yeah. But definitely, I've definitely had a lot of encounters with bodybuilders, and they were definitely down for the team. The next the next type of guys on the category list is thug gangster type dudes. Like, I'm talking dudes that sagging their pants. They're really rough looking. They're from the streets, and they, very gangster, very thug type. Those type of guys, I don't care what you say. They may act hard and everything, but behind closed doors, I've had a lot of like most of the guys that I've dated was very thug, gangster type dudes, very, with it, very like hard, A lot of those guys are down for the tea. They are very open to trans girls. When they're with their homies or whatever, they're like, yeah, like whatever. But behind closed doors and also in front of doors too, I've had a lot of thug gangster type dudes like me, and they were okay with dating me and stuff. And a lot of them didn't really care, you know? So most definitely thug gangster type dudes are definitely down for the tea. I know some people are gonna be like, nah, she lying, stuff like that. But I'm telling you, like, they are very open-minded. They're very down for it. Yeah. So next on the list is nerdy guys that play video games. So definitely like nerdy guys. So don't get it confused, but like college boys, I would stay away from, but the nerdy type guys, I feel like those type of guys would definitely be open to dating a trans girl because a lot of them, you know, they're on the internet, they're Googling things, they play video games, like they're really like digital and things like that. And I'm pretty sure they've seen a lot of weird things on the internet and things, you know, because that's a lot of nerdy guys spend time on the computer. So I feel like too, like they'd be very open to dating a trans girl just because it's new, it's different. Um, and definitely like I just feel like they're very like open-minded because of like maybe them playing video games, them being on the internet, computers, you know. It's just like they don't really judge. Although some do judge, but I think they would just be very like open-minded. Like I've definitely had a lot of nerdy guys like me and very open to me for being trans, and yeah, and they ended up really liking me. So yeah. Next on the list is short guys. Like I'm talking like below 5'9". Like I'm talking about like 5'5" to 5'8". Like I would say 5'8" and shorter. Like I feel like those type of guys are very open to dating trans girls just because I've noticed like a lot of like cis women, like biologically born cis women, a lot of them like aren't really open to dating like short guys. So like they like to date like really tall, like 6 foot and up, you know, type of guys. So definitely for me, like I'm a 5'9" girl and I've definitely dated guys shorter than me. A lot of guys that are like short, they really like tall women. They definitely are open to dating a trans woman. So definitely for me, I've never had a problem getting with a short guy. You know, even if he was an inch shorter than me, like never had an issue. So definitely short guys if you want. And they respect like also like I feel like because they don't really get dates like that because of their height. I really like when they have the opportunity, like they're very like serious, like they definitely want to make a trans girl dream comes true when it comes to love, you know, and things like that. So definitely short guys is the way to go if you want a boyfriend. The next on the list is straight guys. So this is 50-50. So I've definitely had guys, straight guys, like really like me, like really like, you know, when I told them I was trans, it can either go half and half. Either they just block me, never talk to me again, or they're curious about it and be like, wow, like you're actually like really beautiful and sexy. Like I really like you. Yeah, like I'm so attracted to you and I like it and I don't know why. Like, you know, so definitely there are straight guys out there that will date you. And then the last on the list is trans allies, but be careful. Okay, so there are definitely masculine men out there that are definitely open to trans women. They're known as trans allies. Like they support us, they support our decision to transition, they are with us. But girl, be careful because a lot of these trans allies, they have fetishes and yeah, so there is a YouTuber on here. I'm not gonna say his name, but he's a trans ally and he makes like and he's a bodybuilder too. Ooh, I think I give out too much information, but he's a bodybuilder and he makes YouTube videos where he talks about like him dating his experience dating trans women and stuff. So he's definitely a trans ally. Like he makes videos, content for the straight guys, like, hey, it's okay to date a trans woman, you know, da 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 da. But yeah, definitely I hit him up, he hit me up, and we definitely talked and was definitely down about it, but I really feel like a lot of these trans allies, you need to be careful because a lot of them be like fetishizing trans women and stuff like that. Like they're so like, yeah, I'm a trans ally, but some of them are they fetishize us. So definitely be careful. I was put in a situation like that and definitely had to get out. So definitely, these are definitely my tips and tricks on the best guys to date if you're transgender. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay magical.